Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us solve question number 3, 4 and 5 from exercise 6.2 from the chapter Triangles. Question number 3. In the given figure, if LM is parallel to CB. So look at the figure. So this is LM. LM is parallel to BC. And LN is parallel to CD. We have to prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So let us prove it. So here look at the figure. In triangle ABC, ML in triangle ABC, ML parallel to BC. So this implies AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. So this is our equation 1. So this is due to BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So this is a deduction from basic proportionality theorem. You solve in example. So again in triangle ADC, ADC triangle, LN parallel to CD. So this implies AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. So this is equation 2 and this is also due to basic proportionality theorem. So comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. What we will get? Here AM by AB is equal to AL by AC and here AL by AC is equal to AN by AD. So by comparing we got AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is proved. Next, question number 4. In the given figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We have to prove BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So let us prove. So first you take the triangle. In triangle ABE, ABE triangle, that is DF parallel to AE. So this implies that is BD by AD is equal to BF by FE. So this is equation 1. So this is due to basic proportionality theorem. And again you take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AC. DE parallel to AC. So this implies BD by AD is equal to BE by EC. So this is our equation 2. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we got BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So this is proved. because BD by AD and BD by AD is common in both the equations. So we prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Next, question number 5. In the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ, DF is parallel to OR, so that EF is parallel to OR. So the question is, in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ, DF is parallel to OR. We have to prove EF is parallel to QR. So DE is parallel to QO by OQ. So in triangle PQO, DE parallel to OQ. So this implies PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO by BPT. So let this is our equation 1. Again in triangle POR, in triangle POR, DF parallel to OR. So this implies PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. So this is also due to basic proportionality theorem. Let us take it as equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. What we get? P by EQ is equal to PT by DU. Again PT by DU is equal to PF by FR. So comparing these two equations, we get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So in triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So this implies EF parallel to QR. So this is due to converse of BPT. So it is proved. Thank you.